mom, she is walking over the streets of Dhaka University. Because everyone needs to go to the old places so that they can resuscitate themselves and keep up with the contemporary people. So because these are the places where she used to be in her early ages. So we will be having food from this canteen, inshallah. Thank you.